In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix sold out or out of stock issues in Shopify. Running into sold out or out of stock messages on your Shopify store, even when you know you have inventory, can be frustrating. Currently, these issues are still quite common, but the good news is that they're usually caused by a few simple settings. Once you know where to look, they're easy to fix. The first way to resolve this is by checking your inventory tracking settings. Go into your Shopify admin. Now, click on Products right here at the left side. Open the product that's showing as sold out and scroll to the Inventory section. Make sure the Track Quantity option is enabled and that the quantity is set correctly for the right location. Many times, stock is available in one location but not linked to your online store channel, so the product displays as unavailable. Assigning stock to the right sales channel will immediately fix the issue. The second way is to confirm the sales channel availability. Even if inventory exists, the product won't appear as purchasable unless it's published to your online store. In the product page, look at the publishing or sales channels and apps section and make sure the online store is checked. Without this, customers won't be able to add the product to their cart, and it may appear as out of stock. The third way is to look closely at product variants. If you're selling items with options like size or color, each variant has its own inventory count. Sometimes one variant is stocked while the default variant shown on your storefront has zero inventory, which makes it look like the whole product is sold out. Updating or reordering the default variant to one that's in stock will solve this problem. In some cases, third-party apps or custom code can override Shopify's default inventory display. If the above three fixes don't work, it's worth temporarily disabling inventory-related apps or testing on a fresh theme to rule out conflicts. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.